Aloha. My name is Andy. In this video I will show how to fix your Protherm Leopard Boiler when the heating is working but you don't have domestic hot water and you don't have any error code. My problem with this Protherm Leopard Boiler is that the domestic hot water is not working or working for like a couple of seconds and then the flame is stopping and I end up making a cold shower. What I noticed, that in a few seconds the temperature reaches 50, 60 degrees Celsius. Even if I set the temperature to 40 degrees Celsius and the respective temperature remains blocked and the flame does not start. The reset button does not reset the value at which it was blocked and refuses to produce domestic hot water. But the thermal agent is working flawless. There is a temperature sensor for domestic hot water and one for the heating agent, and probably the respective sensor is failing. I bought two pieces and today I will replace for domestic hot water and I hope the problem will be solved, because I am tired of cold showers. Step 1. I turn off the boiler from the power button. For maximum safety you can remove the power cable from the socket. Step 2. I unscrew the one screw that fixes the front panel and I remove the front panel. Step 3. I close the inlet valve. Step 4. I unscrew the 3 screws that fix the side panel. Step 5. I remove the flame safety panel. Step 6. I remove the side panel to reach the temperature sensor more easily. The front one is the temperature sensor for domestic hot water and the back one for the heating agent. Before removing the domestic hot water temperature sensor, I open the hot water tap to drain the water from the pipe as I start to unscrew the temperature sensor. Step 7. I remove the contact plugs from the domestic hot water temperature sensor. Step 8. With a 15mm wrench, I unscrew the temperature sensor. This sensor was replaced by an independent boiler technician about 5 or 6 years ago. The original sensor worked fine for about 10 years, probably this will work also fine about 5 or 6 years. You can see the deposits on the sensor. It probably wouldn't help if I just cleaned it. Here you can better see the difference between the old sensor and the new one. Step 9. I mount the new temperature sensor, tighten it as much as I can by hand and then tighten it slightly with the 15mm wrench and reassemble the contact plugs. I open the water valve and turn on the boiler. I open the hot water tap slowly. There may be air in the pipe. The flame is working, the domestic hot water temperature rises. I check that there are no leaks at the temperature sensor and after that I assemble the side panel, the flame safety panel and the front panel. It's been a week since I replaced the temperature sensor. The domestic hot water works fine. I haven't had a cold shower in a week. Replacing the temperature sensor solved the problem for me. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select 1 cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.